Hello and welcome to one more video of Box Info. So this is a Lenovo M300 RGB gaming mouse. So it has up to 8000 DPI, programmable button and RGB lighting. So it has a program by which you can control the lighting of the mouse. So let's see what else we have here. So this is a very clean packaging here. As you can see, this is the mouse. Let me show you the specification here. So this is the Lenovo Legion M300 RGB gaming mouse. So let's open the box here. We do have some papers here, some setup guides. So let me just open this mouse. So it's a very lightweight mouse here. As you can see, we have some rubber texture on the mouse here and some specification on the back side of the mouse. So these are some programmable buttons here. You can program this, and this is the DPI button. It's a very clean mouse here. So this is the USB. This is the RGB lighting of the mouse. Lenovo has this software by which you can program your mouse according to your personal use. Guys, I'm going to leave a link in the description. By there you can download this software. You can personalize your settings here. For me, this is the profile one. Here you can set the rainbow, or you can turn off the light of the mouse here. If you can set a single color also. So this is the single color here. I will select the multicolor one here. We do have one multicolor option here. So this is the breathing. So if you want, you can choose two colors here. So I'm going to set this red and blue here. If you want, this is the one more setting called rainbow. So there are plenty of settings by which you can choose your lighting effect on the mouse. Let's scroll down and see the mouse actions here. We can set special actions for the mouse buttons here. So by default we have a left and right key here, and the middle key which is for the scrolling down, and we have a DPI button here. So you can use this DPI button and set any other switch if you want here. You can also disable this button by disabling here by this option. If you want, you can restore this one also. So this is the DPI setting here. You can adjust the speed of your cursor here by scrolling down and minus here. So these are the some settings here. This is the one setting. So this is the lowest which we have 200 here. So it is very slow here. If you want, you can increase the speed of your cursor. As you can see, this one, this is 2000 and this is 1200. So these are some different speed you can set here. For the first one I have set here 2000, and this I am going to for 4000. This looks good for me, so we can use this 4000 speed here. So we have third one also. So I will go this for 8000 here. So this is very smooth. As you can see, the cursor is running very fast. Let me make it a little bit slower here. So I will go for 6000. Maybe this will be good for me. So yeah, this 6000 is okay. We can adjust for this one. So by using DPI key, you can select any speed for your purpose. So we have three settings here. So this is polling rate. So you can choose any polling rate here. So I will keep it that for 1000 here. So you can add as many as profiles you want, and I'm going to add this for the gaming purpose here. So let me add for gaming. Let me create this one. So I will set this one for the gaming. So let me keep the RGB on this mode, and we'll set the, I will leave this setting default here. For the DPI I'm going to change a little bit here. So 1000 Hertz is good for me. So this default also looks good for me, so I'm not getting any problem here. Let's see the DPIs here. So this is the profile one here, which I actually set for 4000 and 6000. So this is good for me. We can use this for the gaming purpose also. I'm going to add one more for my editing purpose here. So let's add some editing. I will type here editing. So let me create this one. For you can use as much as profile if you want. For editing I will keep the RGB lighting off, so I can't be distracted by that lighting. For default I'm going to use this as scroll. I will leave this all setting default here because it's really good for me. So I'm a right hand user, so I will leave that for default. So these I'm going to increase some DPI here, so I will keep it for this 4000 and 200 this. If you want you can add as many as profiles on this mouse. For me these 3 profiles is working fine here. So this is the some specification of this mouse here. If you want you can take a screenshot of this one. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Until then, Jai Hind.